This school that you see behind me brings back a lot of memories. This school is called HABIGANJ Govt High School, and believe it or not, I actually studied there for at least 4 years. Let's go and check it out. So this school has a lot of history to it. It's a heritage school. It was made during the British Empire. School. That's why you see the red bricks. It's actually an iconic red British building. And I actually started my studies here from class 7. That's class 7 there. So this was my first class. And then I went to class 8, 9, 10 and did my SSC exams. The windows are still the same color like it used to be, so basically it's kept all its characteristics, and the ceiling as well. I'm actually going to go inside this classroom. I'm going to check it out. I'm going to see, I've got the keys to it. Well, it was already open, so I'm going to go in and see what it's like, whether it's still the same or not. So follow me. Here's the classroom. Here are the benches. The seats. There's no chairs here. They don't have chairs, it's all benches. And these are the old, so basically these are still the same benches that used to be here back in the days. I don't think they've changed anything. You can see all the graffitis done by the kids. This is class 9. Still the same fans, the same blackboards. I used to sit around here with my friends. And you can see they've still got the old benches here. They haven't changed at all, so there's no chairs here. No chairs or tables, it's all benches. And that's the same thing. Yeah. So just these benches you see here, the back row here, these benches were made during the British Empire when the school first opened. So these are probably about 200 years old. So there you go. Nothing has changed, still the same. It's probably been like that for the last 200 years or so. I also remember I started off at the Army Cadet, which is called BNCC, I think. I can't remember what it meant, Bangladesh Cadet Corps or something like that. And we used to train here, and there's a pond here. So if you weren't behaving well, they used to chuck you in the pond. And this is class 8. I don't know what it says 6 on it, but this was class 8. And then that class 9, and then class 10. So the pond behind me is called Tinkuna Pukur. It's called Tinkuna because Tinkuna means triangle, so the shape is a triangle. I'll show you from the drone shot above. And see them trees there? See them trees? I remember there was an event one day called Brikko Rupon Dibosh, and I actually grew my own tree. I think one of those trees is probably mine. And yeah, let me just breathe the oxygen from it. I'm only joking. Yeah, so it's still beautiful like it was. I remember the balconies here. We used to run around, we used to have fights, and we used to, like, you know things that you do as a kid. And then I used to have a bike and I used to do all my stunts, and these kids used to be like, wow, because I could do wheelies and stuff like that at the time. There's the other entrance from the back, and that's the back entrance. I think it's closed now, and there's another pond here to the right. So this school brings back a lot of memories. Like I said, I really miss it. If you didn't do your homework, unlike UK, you'd get caned actually. So I remember getting caned several times in those classes, especially in class 9. I got caned so hard because because I couldn't do my homework. I wasn't good at Bangla, so I remember getting caned. But I was really good at English, and I remember in the exams, everyone that sat next to me in the front or to the left and right, they all passed because I gave them all the answers, and that's because I was really good at English. I was actually knew English very well at the time, because I actually came from the UK. I studied in the UK as well. I studied up to class 7 in the UK, and then I came here. Then I went to class 7 here. No, I had a few years gap, and then I went to class 7 because I had to start from scratch studying Bangla. I didn't know a single word of Bangla when I was 13 years old. I had to start from basic alphabet, O, R, Rosh, E. It wasn't easy. It took me 3 months actually to learn everything, and then I went to class 5 to another primary school for a few months, and then I went to class 7 in this school. So yeah, a lot of history. I mean, I'm sure you know, I don't think any of you guys know this, but this is just something I want to share with you guys. I can speak Bangla as much as I can speak English. I mean, Bangla অনেক কথা বলতে পারি, শুদ্ধ বলতে পারি, সিলেটি ভাষা বলতে পারি, fluently বলতে পারি. But I think I'm comfortable with English because the reason why I'm doing these vlogs in English is because I have a lot of people from abroad who wants to see Bangladesh, who wants to know the culture of Bangladesh, and I want to showcase Bangladesh to the whole world. And as you know, English is an international language and it's recognized worldwide, so why not? Why not? And I'm sure a lot of people in Bangladesh speak in English as well, especially people in Dhaka, and there's a lot of English medium schools there. You'll be surprised some people can't even speak Bangla here in this country. The standard is really, really high compared to most schools in the Sylhet region. I'm pretty much sure this is one of the best in the whole of Sylhet. Yeah, this is my school, HABIGANJ Govt High School. I missed you. I really missed the atmosphere. I really missed days when I used to have fun with my classmates, my friends. So let me know what you think of this. Can you even believe that I actually went to a school in Bangladesh? Bet you can't believe that. So guys, this is just a quick tour of my school. Hope I've shown the whole area. Yes, this is nothing like the UK, is it? It's just an old school, rotting away. It's still functional. It's one of the best schools around here. It's actually the best in Sylhet. I think it's one of the best in Sylhet region. So, and kids that come out of this school, they're all successful. And I know all my friends have got really good jobs. All my classmates that studied with me, they have top jobs like bankers, bank managers. Some of them are engineers, some of them are professors at university. Some of them are scientists. Some of them are doctors, even army majors. So yeah, I'm really proud of myself that I came to study at this school with those guys, and you know, I've got friends like that. But anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. Hope I haven't wasted your time. Just wanted to showcase you my childhood school. Hope you like the school, and hope you like this video. Drop a comment, ask me anything about my school, and hope to see you in my next videos.